Here is how to run a profit and loss report in Xero, step by step. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the reporting option in the top navigation area and click it. This opens the section where Xero stores financial reports, including summaries and detailed account views. From the list of available reports, select Profit and Loss. This opens the report screen for income and expenses, where you can control the period you want to review and adjust how the information is displayed. Make sure you choose Profit and Loss from the report list before changing any report settings, so those settings apply to the correct report. Next, choose the date range for the report. You will usually see date controls near the top of the page. Select a period that matches what you need to review, such as a month, quarter, year, or a custom date range. If you are preparing information for a specific reporting period, check the start and end dates carefully before moving on. If needed, you can customize the report before generating it. Xero may give you options to add a comparison period, select tracking categories, or apply filters. Use comparison settings if you want to view the current figures beside another period. Use tracking categories if your Xero account is set up to separate parts of the business, such as locations or departments. Apply filters if you need to narrow the report to a particular view. If you do not need any of these options, leave the default settings in place and continue. After your date range and any optional settings are in place, click Update. Xero will refresh the report and display the latest results based on the selections you made. If the page takes a moment to reload, wait for the figures to appear before reviewing the report. Now review the main sections of the profit and loss report. Look at your trading income first to see the revenue recorded for the selected period. Then check cost of sales, which shows the direct costs tied to producing goods or services. Below that, review operating expenses to see overhead and day-to-day business costs. Finally, look at the net profit or loss figure, which shows the result after income and expenses have been accounted for. This is the point where you confirm that the report period and any filters produce the view you expected. If you need a copy of the report, click Export to download it in the format Xero provides. If you want to keep the current report set up for later use, click Save As and save the report settings. That can be useful when you need to return to the same view again without reapplying the same options each time. Your profit and loss report in Xero is now generated, reviewed, and ready to export or save.